Hi everyone, once you install the module, let's do the configuration. First I will create a new user. Let's name it Irfan in emails and make it a portal user, and then save. And let me also create the password for this user, so later we can log in to this user in the portal side. Next go to the groups and search for portal. So you will find the customer portals, TimeOFF portals, and then assign here the user we have created right now, Irfan. It's okay, save. Now the next thing, let me go back and go to the employee sections. Let's create a new employee, Irfan, and make it link with the user we have created, Irfan. Okay, now save. Now next is go to TimeOFF and make some allocation to this user. Let me go to allocations, new allocations, name it, okay, and select the user. Let me select these ones, and date range, for example between which date range I can take this TimeOFF. So I will select this date range and the total days of allocation, so 12, and make sure the TimeOFF type is paid TimeOFF. Okay, now validate. Okay, next is go to portal site. Let me open another browser and open this user. So let's see, currently we don't have any TimeOFF for these users. For this employee we have created, you can see there are no TimeOFF. So let me open another browser and open this portal user. From portal side we will request, and you will see. Now let me log into the same database and enter this user credential we have created. Login, and you see the app is available on the portal side. Now create, currently no TimeOFF. Let me new request, select the TimeOFF. So pay TimeOFF, because already I have allocation to this type, and date range 2 days is okay, and you can also put the description and this one. And let me approve this request from the backend, like manager wants approve. See, I have approved, and go to the TimeOFF this allocation. So let me approve this one and validate, and go to the portal side again and refresh. See, in the schedule sections now it's appearing. So this is the work scenario where you can find this app on Odoo App Store, TimeOFF portal. You can see TimeOFF portals. This one is